So here's me. I'm sitting at my computer. I'm working on an ArcGIS Pro document. I have layers in my map that I'm working with, one called County and one called Trails. They're stored on my computer on the C drive in a file called Users, Shannowing Belmont, on my desktop in a folder that I created called GIS Maps, and then the two names of my shapefiles. These data layers aren't contained in the project itself. The project stores the path, the location of these two data sets as they're stored in my file tree on my computer. I'll show you. So here are the two data sets that I have. If we right-click on them, we can go into the properties, which went off the page there, and here's the source. And this isn't going to match what I just showed you because I'm trying to simplify it, but you can see that it's showing the path. This is what ArcGIS Pro has to work with. The other way that you can figure out where your data are stored is to use this cylinder, the little geodatabase cylinder, and that lists all your data according to the folder that they're sitting in. I want to share this map with you. So I do a project save as, just like this. Project, or save as. This creates something called an ArcGIS file. This is a file extension that indicates that this is a map project. Go ahead and email this ArcGIS file over to you. You open the ArcGIS file, and what you find are exclamation points by the data layers, and nothing's displaying in the map except the base map. Why isn't it displaying my data? Because the project is trying to reference the data from these same file locations. It's looking for them in a user's file, Shannowing Belmont, but you don't have this folder on your desktop. So the project says, well, that doesn't work and it can't display the data. You get red exclamation points. So how can we deal with this? You can share your project in a different way. So here's me working on the project again, but instead of doing a project save as, we're going to do a share project, and I'll show you that. So we're going to go under the Share tab and Project. This opens up a tool that's going to walk you through the process of packaging this whole project with the data into one compressed folder. So the file extension for that is called a PPKX, project package file. I'm going to name it Share, and I'm going to email that to you. When you open the project package, everything works just right. And that's because all of the data came with the package. They were saved within the project, so the project changed the path and made it a self-contained piece. So again, that's called a project package. And again, you find it under the Share tab, Project.